1. Open the box and take out all the parts. Place the guide rail above the box, and align the screw holes of the box with the side rod nuts. Align the top cover with the holes on the side panel. Insert the bolts and washers into the corresponding holes in the top cover. Tighten with the bolts and cover with the nuts. Front crossbar alignment. Attach the plastic to the front crossbar, aligning it with the truck side bars at the same height, and trim off any excess to ensure both sides are aligned. 3. Install the support brackets. Two people together lift the tonneau covers onto the vehicle and slide the T-bolts into the bottom T-slots of the side panels. There are 3 T-bolts on each side. Different models have different numbers. Adjust the side rail installation settings to ensure the front and rear distances are the same. Measure the gap between the tailgate bar and the side rail. A gap of 7 to 9 mm at the end of the side rail is ideal. 5. Install the drain pipe. Attach the hose clamp to the drain pipe, and install the side with the hose clamp at the bottom of the roller shutter. If there's an existing hole near the tailgate, then a drain pipe can be threaded through it. If not, use a video drilling tool to drill a 20 mm hole. 6. Apply the sealant evenly to the surface, leave no gaps.